Factor tree of 408. So 408, it can be written as 2 times 204. 2 times 204 mean 408. 204, it can be written as 2 times 102. 2 times 102 mean 204. 102, it can be written as 2 times 51. 2 times 51 mean 102. 51, it can be written as 3 times 17. 3 times 17 mean 51. So now we select our prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 21, 2, 2, 2, these 3 and 17. So we can write 408 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 2 times this 3 times this 17. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.